Today I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to a PSD file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to edit PDF content in Photoshop or work with layered graphics in a more flexible format. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. When the application launches, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Simply enter your account details to access the full suite of features. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can manage all your PDF files. Now, navigate to the Recent Files section. This area displays all the documents you've been working on lately, making it quick and easy to find what you need. From your recent files, select the PDF file you want to convert to PSD format. Click on it to open the document in the viewer with your PDF file. Now direct your attention to the upper left toolbar. Here you'll find various editing and conversion options. Click on Convert. This button is your gateway to transforming your PDF into different file formats, and it's essential for our conversion process. After clicking Convert, you'll notice a left panel appears with several format options. In this panel, click on Other Format. This section contains additional conversion choices beyond the standard formats. From the drop-down menu that appears, select PS. PS stands for PostScript, which is the format we'll use as an intermediate step before creating the PSD file. Next, click on Convert to PS. This action initiates the conversion process and prepares your file for the transformation. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose where you want to save the converted file. Select the file location you want, browse through your computer's folders, and pick a destination that makes sense for your workflow. Whether it's your desktop, documents folder, or a specific project directory, make sure you'll remember where you saved it. Before finalizing the save, you have the option to rename the file if needed. This is particularly helpful if you want to distinguish this converted version from the original PDF. Once you're satisfied with the name and location, click Save. The file will now be saved as a PS file in your chosen location. To complete the conversion to PSD format, you'll need to open this PS file in Adobe Photoshop, which will automatically recognize it and allow you to save it as a PSD with full layer support. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.